Looking for the best angle brooms? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 angle brooms on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. O-Cedar Power Corner Large Angle Broom. Extra large broom head is 14 inches wide. Flare tip technology built to trap unwanted dust and hair. Bristles are made with 83% recycled plastic for an eco-friendly product. Customers seeking an extra wide broom from a recognized company will find their match in this generously sized product. Head can begin to wobble after heavy use. Bristles could be softer. At number 2. Quickie Stand and Store Lobby Broom and Dustpan. Includes a stand-up dustpan for hassle-free cleaning. Broom snaps into dustpan handle for simple storage. A wonderful choice for quickly cleaning dry spills. Broom is wide. This highly rated angle broom offers customers the convenience of a stand-up bin alongside an inexpensive price tag. Product is shorter than some customers appreciated. Bristles tend to be flimsy. At number 1. Fuller Brush Versatile Angle Broom. Has a nice 9.5-inch sweeping path and a full long length of 50.5 inches. Built to work on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. Bristles are flagged for collecting tiny dust particles. Steel head and handle offers owners a sturdy, long-lasting product. Offering supreme durability and versatility, this popular angle broom provides exceptional cleaning. Buyers wish the broom head was wider. Bristles are made of plastic. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.